If you want to remove a payment method from your Chime account, follow these straightforward steps. This process will help you manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon in the corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Tap on this option to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. From the list of payment methods, find the one you wish to remove. Tap on it to access more options related to that specific payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the payment method is successfully removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove payment methods from your Chime account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime's customer support for assistance.